I can swim. I can swim. Then the frog will look at the bird. Can you see the elephant? I forget the elephant. You better take it by the bird to the bird. See the water in the Then you need to bring the fish up to the big look. What are you doing? What's the noise? That's why. Look at me. What are you doing? I can see. I can see. And the flappy look at the bird and the boy that seems to reach the bird. They go to the bird. What?
Louder!
It's the bird. What I can fly. I can fly. The clouds and the
Okay, I need one more, ha? This time you make it louder.
Louder dapat.
Okay, write this song. Quiet natin doon. Ha?
It's example only.
Quiet.
Little stream.
Okay, ha? I want it louder like that.
Louder.
Can you try it? Can you try it? Sample, Ay, because na naman. Sige.
Can you see my like that? Louder, louder. Ano? Like this daw, not like that.
Oo nga naman, mami. Ano ba?
You will say laban. Laban. Okay, Matt, yan na, like that.
Okay, game. Are you ready now?
Okay.
Oh, just an L, ha? Oh, ready? Quiet, like that.
Louder, you speak louder. Come on.
Okay.
Ngayon na yung birthday mo, ha? Kaya dapat louder yan.
Okay, this is Cindy Girl, the second time around. 1, 2, go!
The frog and the bird. The frog and the bird. By a quiet little stream on an old mountain, looking very forlorn, sat a little green frog. Little six speckled back and two bright yellow eyes, and when tiny they legs that chose the sun was so hot, he scarcely opened his eyes. Why the lazy sister sat alone watched her face. He was nothing, and nothing, and I must do when a voice in the branches. Chip, Rowdy, chip. You'd better take it, but the bird took off. In the water, you fall off the cliff. Then you see the streamlet is up to the big curve. What else is for this? I can swim. Then the froggy look at the bird on the boat that seems to reach the sky. Then he looked to the bird. If you fall, you will die. Check the birdie egg. Then the froggy look at the bird so high on the boat that seems to reach the sky. So he croaked to the bird. If you fall, you will die. Check the birdie. What else you forget? I can fly. 1, 2, 3. The frog and the bird.
Yay! Ay, clap your hands! Very good pala si Cindy Girl, eh.
What
Very
now?
good naman, eh. Wow! Very good, Yay! Like that, ha, Cindy? I want it like that way, ha? Ha?
We're going to watch
What? No?
Watch ka naman daw sa grade 3.
How can I watch? I'm going to school.
Di ba magpaparade lang kayo? Hindi ko makikita sa gate 3 yun.
Maybe sa time.
Ha?
You don't watch only on the gate, right?
Gate 3?